Today we are cooking for you from
Nashville, Tennessee.
Nashville, Tennessee, and as you can see, our campsite is pretty awesome.
This morning we even got to go out for a
Yep.
morning paddle, which was absolutely just relaxing and so beautiful. And of course, appetite inducing.
Exactly.
We actually skipped breakfast because we were having so much fun out there.
Right, and you can't come to Nashville, Tennessee without having Nashville hot chicken. So today, we're preparing for you Nashville hot chicken 2 different ways. Let's fire up the Blackstone.
Welcome back to Destination Delicious, and thank you for joining us for another tasty meal. We are making Nashville hot chicken 2 ways today. It's not a complicated recipe, but there are a variety of steps, and since we're doing it 2 ways, we've added a couple extra steps. So we've got Kate here today, our sous chef, who's going to be helping us out.
All right, I'm gonna crank up the Blackstone and get the fries going. You guys wanna start mixing up the dredge?
Kate is going to crack the eggs. Great,
Well
perfect.
done, buddy.
All right, one more. Well, that's a way to do it.
Using your Hulk hands.
Now we're gonna add 2 cups of buttermilk.
Oh, thick milk.
We're gonna pour half the bottle of the hot sauce in. We gotta make sure we mix all those eggs up really well.
And that hot sauce.
Yep, and that hot sauce.
I like them French fried potatoes.
Now we're gonna finish up our dry ingredients. So we've got 2 cups of flour, 3 cups, 2 cups, 3
Couple
cups.
cups, few cups.
A couple of cups of
Few
flour,
cups.
as you can see in our bowl. Next, we're gonna add the brown sugar. So you're gonna wanna scoop it and make sure your spoon gets really full. 1.
2, 3, 4.
Great job. What do we have next?
Hot seasoning.
That's right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right.
Nice and spicy.
Next, we're gonna add garlic powder, chili powder, cracked pepper. I'm gonna be here for a while.
So you may be wondering why we said Nashville hot chicken 2 ways. And when we were talking through the recipe, there were certain elements that she wanted to leave out or didn't want on her sandwich. And there were certain elements that I definitely wanted on my sandwich.
I mean, my pickle allergy really comes into play here. And
But
for
she-
my health reasons, I shouldn't have
Right.
pickles on
But
mine.
you love cucumbers, right?
Yeah, I'm not allergic to those,
okay.
ironically.
So-
Just the pickles.
So strange.
Spencer's choice for his breading is Ritz crackers, and I went with Wheaties. All right, so it's cracker crushing time.
Pick them up and smash.
Let's try this. See how that does.
Smashed up.
Thanks, dude.
All right,
All yours.
next up, Wheatie smashing. All right. Easier.
If your kids have fun in the kitchen, they will want to cook more and more often.
All right, now it's time to flatten out our chicken. I wanted chicken breasts on my sandwich, and you went with wings?
No, I went with chicken thighs.
Oh, thighs, okay.
I like dark meat.
I like white meat.
As you guys know, we love to support local. And if you have a local butcher, go make friends with them because it's the best meat, poultry, whatever you're going to get. And when you make friends with them, sometimes they'll keep the good cuts in the back for you. Pro tip, before hammering, throw the chicken into a Ziploc bag and zip it probably 2/3 of the way shut. That way you won't hammer chicken all over your kitchen or your cooking area.
This is the part you've been waiting for. Get in there. Use those muscles. We're gonna do the same thing with Spencer's thighs. It's hammer time. Okay, so we've got a double dredge coming up. I'm gonna have the dry ingredients, the wet ingredients, and then our 2 coatings on the side.
All right, I think we're ready to make the first flip on The Wheaties one? Oh boy. A little warm on that second one. While the fries are still on the griddle and still crisping up, I'm gonna throw some salt on them because that's the best time while they're still hot. I gotta tell you, frozen fries right on the griddle top come out nice and crispy. Good, buddy. Look at that chicken.
We're gonna toast buns, right?
Yep.
So we need a little bit of butter.
Yep.
Mango sandwiches! Woo woo! Mango sandwiches! Woo woo!
Gotta say, the crackers might look a little bit better on the chicken than my Wheaties. I'll cut you off this guy.
We went with Famous Dave's spicy pickle chips.
I'm gonna top mine with some coleslaw
That looks good.
for a little bit of color.
A little post dust.
Well, yeah. And then we want to get some fries on here.
All right, it's time to chow down. We've all got water on standby just in case.
We're loaded up.
Just in case the fire gets a little too hot. Are you ready to try, Bubba?
Woo woo!
Woo woo.
All right, let's take a bite.
Good stuff, buddy. That was a
really
good chicken
good.
sandwich. Those pickles are awesome.
I like the coleslaw. Thanks for cooking with us today.
The best cooking meal you guys ever made!
All right, when your kids
That's all
love
we
what
need.
you cook, you know you're doing good.
Go check out blackstoneproducts.com. Check out the YouTube channel, right, buddy? Click the notification bell so you know when we have new videos coming out.
If you try the recipe, definitely let us know in the comments below what you think.
Thanks again for joining us, guys. This is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road. Need more water, buddy?